What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Presh, and this is Hair Energize here. So guys, today I'm going to be doing something really simple. I'm going to be showing you guys how I take out my dreads. So I've had these dreads in for about 3 weeks now. I made it on the 31st of January, and this is 19th. I don't know when this video is going to be going up, but I'm filming this video on the 19th of February. So I've had this dreads in for about 20 days now. So 20 days is roughly 3 weeks. So I will be taking it out finally. Now guys, I don't know if you guys have been up on Twitter, but you find out that a lot of people have been posting about what's it called now? The Harmattan. Like I don't know, it's like the Harmattan just decided to come up yesterday. I observed it when I came back from work yesterday, and I was like, okay, that's cool. So Harmattan is coming up on us pretty late, because I think it's supposed to come in since January, but we really had a lot of heat in January. So guys, I had to change my top. I like taking my dreads out from the back. Guys, my hair feels so dry, and these are the processes we're going to be using. I think I showed you guys this combination in one of my videos. I don't remember which one now. So what I have here is simply water and conditioner. I also told you guys in that video that I don't talk about brands unless we have an agreement for me to do so, because it might get me into trouble. Now there's some people and there's some brands that would come for me whenever I talk about their brands on my channel. It's supposed to be like free publicity, but I don't know why that happened, and I am literally just deciding to be more careful now. So just take any of your regular leave-in conditioner, pour it into your spray bottle as you see right here, and put some water, and then you just shake it and try to have a consistency that looks like Hollandia milk. Hollandia milk is the closest consistency to this thing I would say that this has. You can also, if you want your hair to be have more water than the conditioner, you can add more water. Just use your discretion. That's all I'm trying to say. So I'm just going to use this and spritz my hair. I'm actually supposed to jump into the shower and let my hair soak in before I do this. That's another way to do it. That's another way to moisturize your hair before taking it out. For taking out your dreads. Guys, this is dreads. Like, this is temporary dreads. Do you understand? So there's a lot of kinking and a lot of twisting your hair has gone through. Like, there's a lot of locking like your hair might have tried to do. So this is like the way you can moisturize your hair before you eventually start taking out your temporary locks. So guys, for the duration of the time that I had these locks in, I'm going to leave some pictures out here so you guys can see. For the duration I had this lock in, I'll say that I really enjoyed having these locks in, and I think that is something I would like to try again, but I'm not 100% sure now until I take out my locks and see how my hair is doing. You get? So I'm done moisturizing my hair. My hair feels quite moisturized. We can now start. So the process is pretty easy. I'll start from the front so you guys can see what I'm doing. So when you take your lock like this, you want to just make sure that it's moisturized, and then you start from the tip. Remember when I showed you guys how to install these locks, these temporary locks, I told you guys to start with a braid from the beginning, and then you make sure that it's tight, and then you proceed on a loose braid, and then when you get to the tip, you try to twist it. So what you're going to do is you're going to find a way to unwound our twist. You unwound your twist like so. You find where two of them are joining and you unwound your twist. So you just follow it that way. Keep unwinding your twist until you find where your braid starts. Now I found where my braid starts. I preferably like to use my comb to find the braids, my tail comb to find the braids, and then you can just follow it gently and take it out. I hope you know that your hair might have started locking, so you want to use your fingers to do the rest. You use your finger to do the rest, you're more assured of how less the breakage you have will be. So that's it. I'm unraveling my dreads right now, and guys, my hair is quite moisturized. So when you get to the root, you realize that the root is quite tight, because that was the plan. It was supposed to be tight. So you also take your time and you unravel it like so. This is super easy. Now you're going to observe something. You're going to observe, because I washed my hair once while on these dreads. I washed it with the dreads. So you're going to observe that there could be some level of dirt. Can you see? There could be some level of some amount of dirt on the root of your hair. That is not a problem, you guys. That's not a problem at all. So just try to make sure that you finger detangle like I'm doing right now. Finger detangling. Can you see? My fingers can go through my hair. My fingers can go through my hair without any obstruction. That means I'm done with this guy. So you want to clip it aside or hold it down with your band, however way you want to do it, and move over to the next one. Then we're going to the next one again. So you find your twist and you try to unravel it. When you've done that, follow your twist up to where you have your braid, and then I preferably like to use my tail comb. If you're picking it out and you can find a kink or you can find some obstruction, make sure to use your fingers to unravel it. Mind you, depending on the type of hair texture you have, your hair might have already started locking, so you have to be careful. You have to be careful when you do this so that you don't break your hair strands. So I've gotten to the loose braid part. Now I can use my finger and loosen it out. When you get to the root where our braid was tight, you then make sure to use your fingers to carefully unravel it. You're going to observe some dirt. That is pretty normal. Now you need to, from the root of your hair, you need to make sure that there are no more locks happening there. And then you finger detangle from the roots. You make sure your fingers can go through your hair like so. When you have done that, it means you are done with this portion. Set it aside. If you do not have a clip, you can use a band and just hold it down to one of your strands. You can follow this process closely, I can guarantee you that you would have little to no breakage at all, because I really, at this point in time, my hairs are not falling off so much. So far, I can't even find them. This is all I can find. That's all I can find. I would take my time and do this off camera. I wouldn't want to bore you with so much of this recording, so I'm going to come back and show you guys what my hair is looking like when I am done, and then we can go over to the shower and have a full blown wash day where I would show you guys how I wash my hair. On a second thought, I think that's going to be a whole lot of stress. I have a video about how I wash my hair. I'm going to link it up in the description and up here so you guys can check it out, and make sure to watch it with all your discretion. Make sure you understand the processes. So guys, this has brought us to the end of today's video. I basically just got done taking out the dreads. You can see that my hair looks still looks quite full. I didn't lose much hair, you guys. I'm so happy about that. This was the amount of hair that I lost. It's still very, very, very shocking, honestly. This is still very, very shocking. I can't believe my eyes. Honestly, I can't put the hairs together because I was then looking for hairs that I lost. Thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate you guys so much. I will just go ahead and wash my hair now. I wouldn't normally like wash this hair, but I think I need to wash it because we are really going into the Ramadan season, and I want my hair to start it off with so much moisture. And I also want to take off like all the junky, dirty residue that I found. So I want to start fresh. I want to start completely moisturized. I want to start the season really, really moisturized. So that's basically why I'm washing my hair. On a normal, my hair is not dirty because I washed my hair when I had the dreads on. And for our next hairdo, guys, I have no idea what I'm going to do. Stay tuned and let's, see what comes out of my thoughts. Thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for clicking the video and for just being here. Please check out all of my content and share my videos with your friends, your loved ones, and anybody that you care about. And also like and subscribe and leave a comment. I'll talk to you guys in my next video. I'll see you guys in my next